Ever wished WhatsApp could read your mind and make chatting way smoother? Well, buckle up because WhatsApp just dropped a huge update that's changing how you text, call, and vibe. From HD video calls to sneaky online indicators. Stick around to see why your phone's about to feel like a superpower. Hey WhatsApp warriors, welcome back to GadInsider. WhatsApp just unleashed a truckload of upgrades for chats, calls, and channels. Think crystal clear video calls, smarter group chats, and even QR codes for your favorite creators. We're diving into the best bits of this update. Let's see what's got everyone buzzing. So what's new? First, group chats are getting savvy. There's an online indicator right at the top showing how many people are active. No more guessing who's around to reply. Plus, you can now tweak notifications with the Notify For setting. Pick highlights to only get pings for mentions or messages from saved contacts, or go all if you love the chaos. Video calls? Oh, they're next level now. WhatsApp upgraded its tech for HD quality calls. We tested it, and it's like your friend's right there with you. No lag, no blur. iPhone users, you're in for a treat. You can scan documents right in the app, no third-party hassle, and even set WhatsApp as your default for calls and texts. Talk about boss moves. Wait, there's more. The events feature got a glow up. You can RSVP maybe, invite a +1, set end times, and pin events so they're front and center. Perfect for that group hang or work meeting. Channels are stealing the show too. Admins can now drop 60-second video updates to keep followers hyped, sharing unique QR codes to grow their audience. And get this, turn voice messages into text summaries. Can't listen? No problem, just read it. These updates are rolling out now, so your app's probably already packing this heat. It's WhatsApp saying, we hear you and we're making it better. All right, let's make it fun. Picture this. You're in a group chat with that shiny online indicator. Who's the first person you're pinging? Or maybe you're hosting an event. What's it gonna be? A movie night or a barbecue blowout? Drop your ideas in the comments.